Hi, it's Deborah Harris here, and I'm back with another Debtor Days Tip, cash flow tip of the day. And today's Debtor Days tip is consider using debt collection agencies. Now, debt collection agencies take a portion of the fees that you would otherwise get in the door. So obviously, if you can actually get your customers to pay you without having to go to a debt collection agency, that's the preferred option. But instead of using your in-house resources and your unskilled people to try to collect the debt, debt collection is a very specific process, and you can sell those fees on to somebody else who does that far more efficiently and far better than you. So consider using a debt collection agency to collect those outstanding debts that are way old. Go in there, get them in, and review whether or not you even do business for that person in the future. Debt collection agencies, they do charge you. They charge you for the privilege of you giving them that fee. But in the end, if you can recoup some of the costs that you may not otherwise get, then that will actually improve your cash flow. So that's a Debtor Days tip of the day, and that's a cash flow tip.